Hi everyone, welcome or welcome back to the channel, Cooking with me, chefqe. Today we are making a recipe that is long overdue. We are making Marry Me Chicken. Before we get into it, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Share this video with everyone you know, and let's cook. Alright guys, let's get started. I have some boneless, skinless chicken breasts here that I sliced in half lengthwise. I'm going to season them up generously with some seasoned salt, garlic powder, onion powder, lemon pepper seasoning, paprika, and Italian seasoning. I have my seasonings in, so I'm going to give it a good toss to get it all evenly coated. Alright guys, our chicken is good to go, so let's get to cooking. In my skillet over a medium-high heat, I'm using the oil from the jar of the sun-dried tomatoes. This is optional, so you can always use olive oil, vegetable or canola oil. I'm going to add my chicken in and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes on each side, or until the chicken reaches an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit. I went in with a little butter to keep my skillet from drying out. I'm going to go ahead and give my chicken a flip, and as you guys can see, we have a nice beautiful sear on that. I'm going to pop a lid on and allow the chicken to finish cooking. Alright guys, our first batch is done, so I'm going to remove them from the skillet and set them aside. Then I'm going to go in with my second batch of chicken breasts and cook those until they're done as well. Alright guys, we have our chicken breast cooked and set aside, so now I'm going to go in with some chicken broth or stock for flavor. This is also going to help to deglaze the bottom of my skillet here. I know it looks a little burnt or charred at the bottom, but it's okay. It's all good flavor. I just had my stove turned up a little too high, but it's all good. It still turned out great. I'm just using my spatula here to help scrape or pick up those bits of flavor, as I like to call it. Then I'm going to go in with some heavy cream. Alright guys, I'm going to give that a stir and then season it up a bit with the same seasonings from earlier, with the addition of some crushed red pepper flakes for a little kick. Alright guys, now we're getting to the fun part. I'm going in with my sun-dried tomatoes along with some baby spinach. Now you can add as much or as little as you want, okay? Now to get my sauce nice and creamy, I'm going in with some mozzarella and Parmesan cheese. I'm going to give it a stir and turn the heat down to a simmer. You'll notice the sauce will start to thicken up after about 5 to 7 minutes, and the cheese should be fully melted. Here we are after about 6 minutes. Our sauce is thickened nicely. This is where you want to give it a good taste test and adjust the seasonings to your liking. Mine tasted fine, so I left it alone, but I did add in some more sun-dried tomatoes. Alright guys, let's bring it all together. I'm going to add the chicken back to the pan and spoon that yummy cream sauce all over. Now, whenever you're making a sauce and you're unsure on whether it has thickened or not, take a spoon and dip it into the sauce. It should coat the back of the spoon. Then you want to take your finger and draw a line right down the middle. It should hold a nice clean line. The culinary term for this is called nappe, okay? And that is it, guys. Our Merry Me chicken is complete. Let's plate it up. As you guys can see, I served mine over some mashed potatoes, but you can also turn this into a Merry Me pasta as well, and so much more. Thank y'all so much for watching and coming to cook with me. Make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you think of this recipe, follow me on all my social medias, and I will see y'all in the next video.